Postmodern literature is a literary movement that avoids absolute meaning and emphasizes play, fragmentation, metafiction, and intertextuality. Postmodern literature is a literary movement that avoids absolute meaning and emphasizes play, fragmentation, metafiction, and intertextuality. The literary movement postmodern movement rose to prominence in the late 1950s and early 1960s as a reaction to modernist literature after World War II. Although postmodernism first entered the critical lexicon with Jean-François Lyotard, the term postmodern was coined by Arnold Toynbee. The literary movement postmodern rose to prominence in the late 1950s and early 1960s as a reaction to modernist literature after World War II. Although postmodernism first entered the critical lexicon with Jean-François Lyotard, the term postmodern was coined by Arnold Toynbee. Irony, playfulness, black humor, irony, playfulness, black humor, intertextuality, pastiche, metafiction, fabulation, phenomena, historiographic metafiction, temporal distortion, magic realism, maximalism, minimalism, fragmentation, unreliable narration, self-reflexivity, hypertextuality, inclusiveness are the important aspects of postmodern literature. Irony, playfulness, black humor, intertextuality, pastiche, metafiction, fabulation, poiomina, historiographic metafiction, temporal distortion, magic realism, maximalism, minimalism, fragmentation, intertextuality, unrealism, narration, self-reflexivity, hypertextuality, and conclusiveness are the important aspects of postmodern literature. Notable authors who contributed to the postmodern movement. John Barth. John Barth is an American writer. John Barth is an American writer who is best known for the postmodern and metafictional fictional fiction. John Barth. The Floating Opera. The Floating Opera. The End of Road. The Floating Opera. The End of the Road. The Short Weed Factor. Giles Goat Boy are John Barth's notable work. The Floating Opera. The End of the Road. The Floating Opera. The End of the Road. The Short Weed Factor. Giles Goat Boy are John Barth's notable work. The Floating Opera, The End of the Road, The Short Weed Factor, Giles Goat Boy are John Barth's notable work. Samuel Beckett. Samuel Beckett in postmodern era won a Nobel Prize in Literature 1969. Samuel Beckett, postmodernist author, won Nobel Prize in Literature in 1969. Samuel Beckett is best known for his drama Waiting for Godot. Samuel Beckett is best known for his drama Waiting for Godot. Italo Calvino is postmodernist writer. Italo Calvino, John Barth, Samuel Beckett are postmodernist writers. Italo Calvino best known works include the Our Ancestor trilogy, the Comics collection of short stories, and the novel Invisible Cities and If on a Winter's Night a Traveler by Italo Calvino. Don DeLillo, Italo Calvino, Samuel Beckett, John Barth, Samuel Beckett, Italo Calvino, Don DeLillo. Don DeLillo is an American author best known for his novels. John DeLillo, postmodern writer, which paint detailed portraits of American life in the late 20th and early 21st centuries. The Silence White Noise by Don DeLillo. The Silence White Noise by Don DeLillo. The Underworld White Noise, The Silence by Don DeLillo are notable works. John Fowles, Don DeLillo, Italo Calvino, John Barth और Samuel Beckett are postmodern writers. John Robert Fowles was an English postmodernist writer, novelist of international renown, critically positioned between modernism and postmodernism. The Collector, The Magus, The French Lieutenant's Women by जॉन फॉलस की जो वर्क है वो कौन कौन सी पोस्टमॉडर्न राइटर है? जॉन फॉलस की राइटर द कलेक्टर, द मैगस, द फ्रेंच लेफ्टिनेंट्स वीमेन आर फेमस नॉवेल्स बाय जॉन फॉलस. थॉमस पिंकन अमेरिकन नॉवेलिस्ट. थॉमस पिंकन, जॉन फॉल्स, थॉमस पिंचन, जॉन फॉल्स, जॉन बार्थ, सैमुअल बकेट, डॉन डिलिलो आर पोस्टमॉडर्न राइटर. थॉमस पिंचन पोस्टमॉडर्न राइटर, अमेरिकन नॉवेलिस्ट, स्टोरी राइटर. वी 1963 में आई थी थॉमस पिंचन की. द क्राइंग ऑफ लॉट 49 थॉमस पिंचन की है. क्राइंग ऑफ लॉट 49 वी थॉमस पिंचन की है. ग्रेविटीज रेम्बो थॉमस पिंचन की है. आर फेमस वर्क्स ऑफ थॉमस पिंचन. कुर्ट वेनेगट was an American writer. Kurt Vonnegut was an American writer of postmodernist era. Kurt Vonnegut, Thomas Pynchon, Samuel Beckett, John Barth are postmodern writers. Kurt Vonnegut was an American writer and humorist known for his satirical and darkly humorous novels. Kurt Vonnegut's best known novel is Slaughterhouse 5. Kurt Vonnegut's famous novel is Slaughterhouse 5. Slaughterhouse 5 is Kurt Vonnegut's famous novel. पोस्टमॉडर्निस्ट नॉवल कुर्ट वेनेगट की नॉवल है स्लॉटरहाउस 5. डेविड फॉस्टर वेलेस he was an American novelist. David Foster Wallace is an American postmodernist writer. David Foster Wallace is widely known for his 1996 novel Infinite Jest. David Foster Wallace, postmodern writer. David Foster Wallace is best known for his novel Infinite Jest. Doris Lessing, The Golden Notebook. Kathy Acker, Peter Ackroyd, Edward Albee, Isabel Allende, Martin Amis, Angela Carter, Margaret Drabble, and A.S. Bite are some other postmodernist writers. Kathy Acker, Peter Ackroyd, Edward Albee, Kathy Acker, Peter Ackroyd, Isabel Allende, Martin Amis, Angela Carter, Margaret Drabble, and A.S. Byatt are famous postmodernist writers. French philosophers and critics. Jean-Francis Lyotard, Jean Baudrillard, Jacques Derrida, Michel Foucault, Gilles Deleuze, and Felix Guattari. American critics Frederick Jameson and Richard Rorty. Ihab Hassan are some of the most influential names associated with postmodern theory. Jacques Derrida was the founder of deconstruction. पोस्टमॉडर्न एरिया का फैक्टर है जैक्स डेरिडा. डिकंस्ट्रक्शन का फाउंडर जैक्स डेरिडा. अ वे ऑफ क्रिटिसाइजिंग नॉट ओनली बोथ लिटरेरी एंड फिलोसॉफिकल टेक्स्ट बट ऑल्सो पॉलिटिकल इंस्टीट्यूशन. According to Jameson, parody has in the postmodern age been replaced by pastiche. Pastiche is like parody, the imitation of a peculiar or unique, idiosyncratic style with the wearing of linguistic mask, speech in a dead language. Hypertextuality in postmodern area is most modern theory of the interconnectedness of all literary works and their interpretation. Simulacra are copies that depicted things that either had no original or that no longer have an original. Simulation is the imitation of the operation of a real world process or system over time. Aporia is a rhetorical device in which a speaker expresses uncertainty or doubt, often pretended uncertainty or doubt about something, usually as a way of proving a point.